Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram downloaded files. So let's start. Whenever you receive a file on Telegram, it will be saved on your internal storage. Now to find those files, close the Telegram app and open up My Files on your Android device. Then go to internal storage. Now scroll down and look for Telegram folder. Now tap on that. And you will see 4 folders here. One for audio, one for documents, one for images, and the last one for video. Whenever you receive an image on Telegram, it will be found on the Telegram images folder. And just like that, you will see all your received documents in the documents folder and all your received videos on the videos folder. Now to delete those files, just open up a folder. Then select all files and then tap on 3 dots on top right corner and then tap delete. And that's how you can delete Telegram downloaded files. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.